As a marketing professional, you must answer two important questions. Number one, how can I communicate my client's message in the most compelling way possible? Number two, are there additional services I should be offering to maximize the value of every client? BusinessVideo.com allows marketing professionals like you to generate a new revenue stream for your business by offering high-quality video to your clients. BusinessVideo.com is perfect for web designers, graphic designers, copywriters, PR consultants, and internal marketing departments. We produce professional quality informational videos just like this one in a matter of days for as little as $499. How can BusinessVideo.com help you and your clients? First, it allows you to maximize existing content. BusinessVideo.com will produce professional quality videos using the content and copy you're already generating. It's a recurring revenue stream. After they learn how affordable video can be, many businesses decide to create weekly or monthly videos for their website, trade shows, sales presentations, or other marketing efforts. It's white label. Your clients don't even need to know we exist. Many marketing and web companies have used services like PSD to HTML that allow designers and marketers to focus on their areas of expertise and let someone else handle the technical aspects. BusinessVideo.com is just like that, but for video. You provide the message, we do the rest. We provide the studio, the lights, the cameras, the sets, the editors, and the on-screen presenters. You can sell to your inactive or previous clients. BusinessVideo.com allows you to generate additional revenue by approaching inactive or past clients with a new and effective service offering. Our pricing allows for a substantial markup. Many large video production companies charge between $2,000 and $5,000 per minute of video. Our prices are as low as $499 for a 2-minute video. This price point leaves plenty of room for you to add a markup and build customers for related services such as script development. You have complete creative control. Our platform gives you complete control. You provide the script, graphic elements, and transition instructions, and our team develops the video exactly how you envision it. Finally, video works. Studies show that visitors stay 300% longer on pages with video. Helping your clients create high-quality professional video will solidify your position as their marketing genius of choice. If you'd like more information about becoming a BusinessVideo.com reseller, visit BusinessVideo.com or email resellers@BusinessVideo.com.